Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to deploy your project on vercel. Most of you have already been using GitHub and you have been doing projects, and you just definitely want to see a demo of what you have been building. And today I'm going to show you how to push your project to GitHub and then definitely deploy it on vercel to see the demo of what you have been building, as easy as that. So the next thing you are going to do here is to go live. So this is my project which I'm going to be deploying. You can take a look at it. So it will display this is just an admin dashboard which I'm definitely going to deploy on vercel. So I want to definitely push this code to GitHub. So I want to open my terminal, and after opening my terminal, I definitely need to go to github.com and then probably github.com. You all have a GitHub account, so if you don't have, you definitely have to create one. So I'm not finding a repository. I want to create a new repository. So by clicking on create new repository, the new there, you see I can give it a name. So I want to give my project name. You definitely want to give it a name relevant to what's the use of the project or the name of the project you are building. So my own is a dashboard, so I just give it a name of UI dashboard, and I should leave it in public because it's just a normal project. If to say it's a paid client project, I want to put it in private. So click on create repository button, and then it will end up creating you a new repository. So my repository have been created, and I definitely want to look into some code there. So I'll be back to my VS Code. So let me back to my VS Code, then initialize Git using the Git command, git init. If you don't know about GitHub before, Git and GitHub, you definitely need to watch some video about that. So git add dot, so it will add every folder files that are inside my code to the repository. So I definitely want to go here and copy the third message here, git commit -m, which is going to be my commit message. I can type it, but you don't need to, if you don't need to cram anything. So you definitely want to copy the next one, which is git branch main, to branch to the main branch, and hit on enter. So you definitely want to go to git add remote origin to copy the remote origin where directly you want the code to be pushed, and paste it and hit on enter. So the last command here, you definitely want to git push origin main, so where it's going to direct you to directly push the code to the GitHub. So it will take some time to load, which is normal, especially if the code is too plenty. If it's too small, you see it may be fast, but if it's much, it may take longer. So, and my one is done. So I definitely want to go back to my GitHub and refresh. So I'm going to see now if there's any changes. Yes, changes are applied. Instead of me seeing those code now, I see my folders and files. I can close the tab and probably go to vercel.com where I want to deploy my project, so it will be view live, so I can send it to my friends and family to see what I've been building. So here on the vercel dashboard, if you are new, you need to register, so you can see add new button from here. So I can hit on it and select project because I definitely want to add new project. So then it will now take me directly to import Git repository. I advise you to also open your vercel app with GitHub. So I will import the UI dashboard we just created. So the UI dashboard is imported. If I want to change the name to another thing from here, I can change it so the name will be meaningful, but I'm not going to change anything. I can hit on deploy button now, and it will deploy my code. And this applies to even if you are building React application, Angular application, or any type of JavaScript application which is fronting, you can deploy it and be viewing it live from vercel. And it's totally free. You can even add your custom domain to it. So now, congratulations, you just deployed a new project, and tada, you can see now my project is deployed. Now I can hit on this and it will open up the link for me, which I can copy. I can head up and see if everything is looking okay, and copy it. If I copy this link and share it or open it in a new tab, it will directly take me to another to the same thing. So end of this tutorial. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.